Hi guys, so welcome back to Noni Plus. So I'm here to show you a hidden features in Google.com that nobody knows about. Google.com developed these new features about 2 years ago, and people have been using it to build a mobile application without even writing a code. I know most of you do not know about these features. Most of you have not heard about this feature. That's why I'm here to show you, that's why I'm here to direct you and tell you how to go about it. So don't worry, don't skip this video, don't log out from this video, don't stop watching this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end because there are a lot of things to take on, a lot of things to learn from this video. If you know you have started learning how to build mobile application, there is another simple way that you can use to build a mobile application without even you writing a code. For you programmers, for you that does not have any experience in coding or does not have any experience in building mobile app application, I'm here also to show you the ways. I'm here also to show you one of the hidden features developed by Google.com that have been in existence for 2 years that nobody knows about. So stay to the end for you to know about these features. Once again, my name is Stanley Kemefuna and I'm here to show you the hidden features. Have you heard about AppSheet.com? Does it sound strange to you? Do you know about it? Have you heard about it? Have you come about it? Or have you ever seen someone build a mobile application with AppSheet.com? I know most of you don't know it, but I'm here to show you the way. So there is a special features, there is a no-code platform developed by Google.com that most people use that platform to build a mobile app application without them even stressing their brain to write code. People are learning Flutterwave, learning so many programming language for them to build mobile application. But here Google have developed something for you guys without, if you know you don't have any experience in coding or programming, you can also use this app sheet to build a mobile application for a user. So I'm here to show you the way. I'm here to show you the hidden features. I'm here to direct you and to show you the steps to take. So there's what they call AppSheet.com. AppSheet.com is a no-code platform developed by Google.com. So if you want to go to the site, just type on your browser, on your Google browser, just type AppSheet, then you click on enter. Once you click on enter, the first information that will come out, please click on that information. We have Google AppSheet, build app with no code. You build a mobile app application with no code. So you click on what? On the first information it will bring out. So you can see we have so many options. We have sign in, we have contact sales, we have get started. So make sure you click on sign in. So click on sign in to take you to a page where you sign in. So if you know you are yet to sign in with Google.com, make sure you follow the process, sign in with your Gmail account. But currently, I'm already logged in already, so I'm not required me to sign in again. So that's taking me to the AppSheet dashboard. That is my own dashboard. You can see on my dashboard, you can see so many applications, both mobile application, both web application are built using AppSheet.com. I built StockCraze. I built gadget inventory management. I built inventory management. I built a meeting attender system with what? AppSheet.com, without even me stressing my brain, without even me writing a code on the computer, because Google has already provided this no-code platform called AppSheet.com. So let's get started. So to get started, go to your left side menu. You see so many options. You see create, recent, share with me, home by me, and templates. So click on create. Once you click on create, you see two options. You see app and database. If you want to create a new database, you can create database. But currently, we are creating a mobile app application. So click on this app to give you three more options where we have start with existing data, we have start with a template, and we have a blank app. But currently in my video today, we are going to be starting with a template because Google has provided us a lot of template for us to use that we can customize with our own self. So let's go to start with a template. So let me click on start with a template. So you can see we have so many templates here. Simple survey, simple inventory, book tracking with Gemini. We have so many of them. Onboarding and training, workstation booking. We have a field delivery, travel, so many of them, and we have the levels. So you can see here is advanced, here is basic, and here is intermediate. So this is a code, or this is a template that Google has provided for us in case if you want to build a mobile application. You can just copy any of these of your choice. They are free. Google does not require you to pay any money because these templates are free templates. So let's go. I'm going to click on one. Let's see which one we are going to use. Let's go down and click on a very simple template. So let's go space booking, resource hub. So there are so many of them: resource portal, shift scheduling, if you want to shift scheduling, retail pickup, visitor check-in. So let's go to this visitor check-in. Click on what? Copy. Once you click on copy, to ask you to give it the app name. So I can come here and change this visitor check-in. I can come here and change it to let's say, okay, let us leave it as visitors check-in and click on copy app. Automatically is now copying the code, is now copying all the code for you. Then after he has finished copying the code, you can see is reading in percentage. So this is 0%. So automatically the code is being copied. So you can see it's 17. So once it gets to 100, so it will finish copying and it will present you your code for you to start customizing. So let's wait and let's see what happens when it's 100%. So this is 67%. So from there now it gets to 100%, and once it's 100%, so now we have our our template. So we have this template is now divided into what? 3 sections. So the one on the right hand side is where if you are modifying your template, you'll be seeing every of your updates on this right hand side. Then one on my left hand side is where you can click is like a menu, or a menu option, because if I want to modify a data or a table, I can come here and click on data. It will show me all my tables on the center. So the one at the center is where you can start modifying all your templates, your tables, both your views, both your actions, both your boards, everything. So you can see it's divided into 3 sections. So once I click on data, we have 3 data here. We have employee, we have visitor, and we have visit. So if I click on employee, under employee, we have this column. We have ID, we have name, we have email, we have related visit by host, and here we have the data type. So you can see type here is number, type for this ID is text, type here for this name is name, that type here for this ID is email. So you can see the key. So this is the label and this is the formula if there's any formula you want to put. But currently I will just leave it the way it is. So if you want to modify any value, I can come here, click on this icon button. If I want to ensure, you can see, is this column visible in the app? If I don't want this column to be visible in the app, I just click on what? I'll uncheck it and click on done. But once I want this, if I want this email to be visible on my app, please select it and click on done. Automatically you will see it update on your right hand side. I can do the same thing for here for visitor. Under visitor we have first name, last name. So I can change this name now. Come here, where is that first name? Column name is first name. I can come here and say first name. Yes, let's leave it at first name. Then type, I can change it to long text if I want it, but let's leave it as name. I can come here and click on maximum length I want to put. I can increase it to maximum length. I can also reduce it, but let's leave it the way it is. So now this is our table. Click on done. If I want to also modify the view, I can also click on this view to present me a lot of view, new visitor view. If I click on it, it will show me this view. View type, do you want the view type to be a form or a table? You can see as I'm changing this table, automatically my right hand side is also updating. Do you want this form for new visitors should be like a detail, automatically to come like this? Do you want this form to be like a chart, to change to a chart, or do you want it to be like a dashboard? So currently, let's leave it as a form. A form means the user will be able to enter the visitor, the name of the visitor, what, the host, reason for visit. You can see business, personal, delivery, and commercial. So all these has already been designed and developed by what? AppSheet.com, developed by Google. You don't need to write any code. You don't need to stress your brain. If I also want to modify the action method, we have the add method, the edit method, the delete method, I can also modify it here. So now, as we are done, just click on save. Once you click on save, automatically every of your changes will be saved. And once you are done, please, if you want to share it to your phone, please, you have to share it to your email address connected to your phone. So once you are done, click on this icon called share. Click on share. Automatically it will show you the email address you want to share it to. So I can share it to my email address, share it to Stanley Kinefuna, then it will automatically pop out if I am a robot. So let's see what it will pop out here. So you can see access use app. Am I a user or admin? I can put as an admin. Then app version, please put it as default. My access, am I to use the app or to view the app? Also, am I to edit the app? But currently, I've been given access to use the app. So I can say, should I notify the user? Yes. Notify the user. Click on my robots. Am I a robot? Yes. And click on send. Automatically, what you have done now, you have sent a notification to an email address for him to what? Open that link and register and install that app on his phone. So let me click on done and let me check my email address. So check my email address. I'll go to my Gmail account and see if the email has dropped in my account. So you can see the email has already dropped in my account. So let's say the first mail. They say Blanche Y2K has invited you to use your app sheets. Shifts and tax management. Okay, this is the first one. Seamless. Okay, this one I'm supposed to play. Okay. Has invited me to use their app visitor check-in. Hello, I've created this app with AppSheet and I'm sharing with you. Install visitor check-in. Once I click on install visitor check-in, it will automatically install my app and let me preview the app in my browser. So if you have a phone, automatically it will install on your phone. But currently, I'm using a system. So you can say sign in with Google, then click on sign in with Google, choose an account, choose your account and grant access and click on continue. So once you click on continue, automatically the app has been installed on your phone or on your laptop. So you can see here, I can click on accept, then click on accept again, then to show you more option, then so we have our visitor check-in app. So you can see here we have employee host, Santiago, employee host Mary. So this is the visitor check-in that the app has already designed for us. So if I want to create a new visitor, I can come here, click on new visitor, click on this drop down, click on Jen Smith, click on host, click on Mary, click on business visits, click on schedule dates. Let me put these dates, aids and save. Then if there's any photo I want to put, I can put the photo. Check-in, I can put the check-in. Let me put this time. Let's see. AM, put the time. Checkout, let's put this checkout. Hosts, employee host is Mary, host email, and I can click on save. Automatically, I've already created what? A visitor check-in for this particular lady called what? Mary. So guys, I believe you're able to understand and able to understand how you can also build a mobile application using appsheet.com without you writing a code. This is a trick. This is what I've learned so far, and I'm sharing that knowledge to you because this is rare to people. People don't know about this mobile, this no-code app, platform developed by Google. So if you know you love my video, please go to my comment section and tell me what you want me to build in my next video using this no-code application. So see you guys in the next video, and make sure you subscribe to Noni Plus. Make sure you share this to your loved ones, and see you guys.